Have you ever wondered how some people seem to have more than 24 hours in their day? The secret lies in effective time management. Today, we explore how mastering this essential skill can boost your productivity, reduce stress, and create more time for things that truly matter. Step 1 on this journey is learning how to prioritize tasks. The Eisenhower matrix serves as an excellent tool for this, helping you categorize tasks into 4 quadrants: those that are important and urgent, important but not urgent, not important but urgent, and not important or urgent. This categorization allows you to allocate your time effectively and focus on tasks that truly matter. Moving on to step 2, we address the challenge of daunting tasks. Those large projects that seem like mountains impossible to climb. The solution lies in breaking them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. This approach reduces the feeling of being overwhelmed and enables steady progress towards completion. Lastly, in step 3, we explore the world of digital tools and apps designed to help manage time effectively. From digital calendars to productivity apps, these tools assist in staying organized, setting reminders, and prioritizing tasks. They offer a practical way to keep track of your time and ensure that it's spent wisely. In conclusion, mastering time management involves prioritizing tasks, using tools like the Eisenhower matrix, breaking down larger projects into manageable tasks, and utilizing digital tools and apps for organization and reminders. With these techniques in your arsenal, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your time, increasing productivity, and reducing stress. It's time to take control and make every second count. Remember, time is the most valuable resource you have. Use it wisely.